Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the phone and making the change safely. First, back up your data and charge the battery to at least 50%, then enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. Once done, set or confirm a secure screen lock and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're signed into the primary Google and Samsung accounts. These steps let the device accept the OEM unlock change and preserve your data if anything goes wrong. Now enable the bootloader unlock switch inside developer options. Scroll to OEM unlocking and flip the toggle, then confirm using your PIN or password when prompted. This authorizes the bootloader change and prevents accidental toggles. Once authorized, the phone may report warnings about warranty or knocks. Read them. Make sure to wait if the device enforces a waiting period or carrier/account cooldown. This can take a few minutes to several days on some Samsung models. Stay patient, rushing causes errors. Finish by verifying the change in the bootloader. Power the phone into download or bootloader mode and confirm unlock status on screen. Once unlocked, proceed with your intended firmware actions or relock the bootloader afterward if you want to restore warranty state. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. If OEM unlocking isn't available, check Knox warranty bits, carrier SIM locks, or any enterprise mobile device management. Removing those restrictions, or contacting the carrier/Samsung support, is usually required before you can enable OEM unlocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.